Today we're talking about website speed. Now you can check your site speed using MonsterInsights Speed Report. It's going to show the results right on your WordPress dashboard, or you can use the Google Page Speed Report. Now let's dive into the good stuff. We're going to start with WP Rocket. Now WP Rocket is the top WordPress caching plugin, and it's easy to use. It sets up the best caching practices automatically, so it's like having a turbocharger for your site. WP Rocket has one-click caching, and essential settings like gzip and browser caching are turned on by default, so you don't have to worry about setting those things up yourself. And it has extra speed boosting options like lazy loading and CDN support to make your site load even faster. Plus, it has advanced tools for database optimization and dynamic content caching too. So if you're a power user, these tools are perfect if you want to squeeze every bit of speed out of your site. But here's the catch. WP Rocket doesn't have a free version, but they do have a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out without any risk. Next up is the Smush plugin. It has consistently been voted the #1 choice for optimizing, resizing, and compressing images. It has more than 1 million active installs and tons of positive reviews. Now with Smush, you have lots of options like lossless compression, so you can reduce your image sizes without losing any quality. And you can do bulk optimizations too, so you can compress multiple images at once. It has a lazy loading feature that helps you to speed up your loading time. Plus, you can automatically convert your images to WebP format for next-gen speed improvements. And there aren't any monthly limits on your image optimizations. Now next up is WP Super Cache, a free caching plugin by Automatic, the makers of WordPress. It offers 2 caching modes: Expert for maximum speed without running any PHP scripts, and Simple for a more user-friendly option. You can cache preloading to speed up page, post, category, and tag loading times, and it has a cache garbage collection to keep your site fresh. Plus, it has basic CDN support from global servers. All right, now let's look at Imagify. It's a WordPress tool that can help you make your images smaller and faster without losing any quality. It's super popular with over 800,000 websites using it. With Imagify, you can optimize images in bulk, use smart compression mode to make sure your images always look sharp. It converts your images to WebP format for faster image load times, and you can set a maximum width so your images will be resized automatically. All right, here we are at number 5, the SiteGround SG Optimizer. Now, the Optimizer plugin is made just for SiteGround's Google Cloud servers. It's like a turbocharger for your site, giving you caching, database, and great image optimization tools. The SG Optimizer promises to make your site up to 20% faster. It comes pre-installed for SiteGround users, so you don't have to mess around with any complicated setups. Plus, because it has a bunch of optimization features, you don't need any other caching plugins. SiteGround Optimizer automatically integrates with SiteGround's hosting. You get up to 85% image compression without losing image quality, and it includes WebP image conversion, CSS minification, gzip compression, and dynamic caching, which is great for e-commerce sites. Coming in at number 7 is MonsterInsights. The MonsterInsights plugin makes connecting your WordPress site to Google Analytics super easy. It takes the data from Google Analytics and displays it right on your WordPress dashboard in an organized, easy to read and understandable way. Plus, you can monitor your site speed in real time and see the results right on your WordPress dashboard, along with suggestions on how to optimize your site speed. You can grab a free version of MonsterInsights on the WordPress repository or choose one of the paid plans for even more advanced tracking features. And here we are at the last one on our list, Sucuri. Now, Sucuri is primarily known as a WordPress security plugin, but it also has a caching feature to make your WordPress site lightning fast too. Now, the caching feature is a breeze to use, so you can boost your site's performance without sacrificing security. And with just a few clicks, you can customize the caching to match your site's needs, whether it's an online store, a membership-exclusive site, or a blog. Plus, you can do things like set up custom caching settings, clear the cache for your entire site or just specific files and folders. It supports broadly compression, and it has a reliable content delivery network to expand your global reach. Plus, it has advanced security features too, including malware removal and distributed denial of service protection.
See your Google Analytics data in WordPress with MonsterInsights. Get 50% off right now and subscribe for more helpful content like this.